in the year they are not as a petrol so 10%. Because of the one it be once today. I was yesterday. Baumiana go about as you. Baumiana go about as you. Baumiana met as you. And yes, no Dumsor Levy no collaborate as a client.
Very sensitive, and we on the minority side, Mr. Speaker, for this one, kill and
Masa Munya, Afia Schwar Mmoa, Masa Munya Kwasa can move to ya, Kulabitia, Parase, was Mubetia, Pa, Mubetia. Say some look as a Bobby say yes and twa, Afia Schwar could do for. Oba won't see so much on him, Cobia Santo to Kuniba, Afia Schwar snake, Ebusia, what be fire Ghana for. One fire this fool, one fire Ghana for. Just say, ye two move for, ye two move say your henny, ye name your henny. A tour manyoku, ye name womu, they always come with a tour taxes. Omo the tour neighbor, omo the tour, a tour the woman, ye name womu, a tour cassia, and of the woman. A tour cassia, taxes a cassia, a tour cassia, the woman, ye name womu by a kind. Mona Montes, I'm looking at the Afia Schwar snake, I say, I'm a Ghana for Munye di, we, just the preamble. Every time the mamma Mantia said, we, home from it's Munye di, I have Penyah block media. That's what I said, any over like video, not down, over subscribe to never computer notification account of latest updates. Now, bet you the wild and their mammy, ever comment section, not so baswa. No, she will work for any of the action. It tell not the other floor of parliament. As the Kobe Muse, majority for others. John Mahama, na you call NDC. When young focus Ato Forson, finance minister, not John Jinapo, the complaining minister, the energy minister. Or what you call Benkumu, now the tax ya to the Dumsor Levy, a buyer.
To help raise additional revenue to fund the needs in the power sector, the government is proposing an increase in export price of petrol, diesel, and related products. The impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cities. The Speaker, I repeat, the impact will be absorbed by the gains made from the strong performance of the Ghana cities. And this will mean that consumers will not have to pay extra for the price of petrol and diesel beginning today. Right, Honorable Speaker, our simulations suggest that there will be no increase in the export price of petrol and diesel in the next window beginning today if the levy is imposed. This is because of a strong Ghana city. Right, Honorable Speaker, the levy will serve as a dedicated source of funding to the power sector, and the proceeds will be earmarked for the procurement of essential fuel for power generation. The Speaker, this will ensure that Ghana enjoys stable electricity.
What is before us is the Energy Sector Levy Amendment Bill. And basically, it is saying that Ghanaians should give one Ghana cedi each when they buy a liter of fuel so that we can end Dumsor. That's all. One cedi. All of us should contribute 1 cedi. Just 1 cedi per, so that we can end Dumsor. 1 cedi. Each of us, when we buy fuel, 1 liter. 1 cedi. And Mr. Speaker, it is not e-levy.
I said, no, ever boy, I saw be a Yinam and Seminole. And I said, a kind of the sector, they say to be any other. I mean, an auto 1 liter for every 1 liter of fuel that you buy. There will be a 1 cedi tax. A total 2 liters, out your 2 cedis, 3 liters, out your 3 cedis. In that order, it is over boom 1 liter for every 100 cedis. Biana, out your 8 cedis, 30%. That is higher than e-levy. E-levy is 1%, but we 8.3%. What I said, 8.3% on the Dumsor Levy. The Dumsor Levy is 8.3%. That's a so silly. E-levy, baby. I'm a dear buyer, social media mountain so dear. Even Mano Jukaka said, was a killing to ya.
Very sensitive, and we on the minority side, Mr. Speaker, for this one, kill and
His Excellency, Master Yintia, who we had the cry Yintia. Emma Espake a whole lot of conversation. Emma TikTok is from Crano. Ever Fireball Gumbi, any supplement.
It's not in this chamber. When he came into office, he talked about the challenges at ECG. And I'm with him on that score. Mr. Speaker, the time has come for us as a political class to look at the institutional failures and address them. If Honorable Minister of Energy comes to this house introducing reforms, I will be the first to support him. If he comes to do politics, saying that during your time it was 22% transmission losses and our time is 40%, that is the usual politics. Now, the mistake you are making is that imposing these levies without addressing the challenges at ECG, Mr. Speaker, you come to square one. Mr. Speaker, I want colleagues, I have chaired that board. And the problems of that institution Mr. Speaker, the fact that I'm in opposition does not mean that you in government should fail. No. Mr. Speaker, but I'm saying that the challenges in that institution is beyond you in government and I in opposition. If we want to look at it with a partisan eye, gentlemen and ladies of this chamber, we would always come here and argue. But the problems will be there.
NDC for Omucha and Trobebre every day. Opieu Ekintra Omucha and Rana Jo, somebody in Amo, Omudi Dumsor Levy Aba. Dumsor Levy. So first, and almost levy. Nayadi Aba. Omube levy, no baby, and now Omudi Dumsor Levy Aba. It is 8 times the levy. Omon's swan yo. And then uto 1 liter of petrol, 1 cedi no betri. Uto 1,000 cedis of petrol, ubetria 83 cedis. 83 cedis as tax. Levy no usende obi 1,000 Mmoa, ubetria 10 cedis. Omo and then ubetria 4,000, ubetria 83 cedis for fuel. We living more air beba. By the time you be do 2028, Ghana in Abe who say Umucha and Trobebre, Mimiji say Umube country and say Yansan Babio and Bafa Abino and CC Ghana.
There was Afia Schwar so Abemu, Abetronagene, Ake Canadian, only one fire Ghana for say deɛ kɔ so bia no obiara nye di na fam na ɛyɛ mo ana mopɛ ana ɛsian wei ma muhu ewuo ɛne nkwa ana ma moto abakɔfa ewuo eti wuo ni ba nye di na monye.
We have calculation here, they are not as a petrol, so 10%. Because it's a 1 liter beer, once a day. Yes, to the Baumiana go about as you, Baumiana go about as you, Baumiana met as you, Baumiana met. Okay. Yeah, Penyah, yes, Ato Forson. Yes, Penyah, yes, Yabuade. Master Brian Derebe. And to you, I mean, Mama, yes, Max on Mokala TV. Now, when you have got black and white, it doesn't move. Yachi allowances, young about no more strike. Man from Mokwasi, I'm going to one with him. Yachi allowance and say answer. Yachi allowance and say answer. Matters yes, so would Jimmy cross strike. Some man from Jimmy and some going to man from Mokwasi. Jimmy. Yachi allowance answer. Jimmy no. Muchimi no small down cross strike na mo corner. Mun cross strike no. Abaya mo pen abano. Ma fa muchimi ni mo shawo na se for jantrafo. Anko tena dwuma mo a. Mo ba wo a shawo tutu for. Mo ba muchimi kwa dwuma. Mo strike wo de. Nya mo na mo se wa jala wan monto. Ma fa mu janta mo na se fue 80% a shawo na mo to wo. Fa muchimi kwa dwuma. Mo strike de kwasi abaya mo paba mo nya adwuma mo fa mo jimi nkoya adwuma de andi sibetimi aya na o maye no fa mo kwasi nkoya adwuma mo ka se be ka bia ma mo jimi no ya ji ala wa yente ya ji ala mo fa ma shawo nkoya adwuma mo fa ma shawo nkoya adwuma na na mo ba shawo na mo ya TikTok adwuma mo to wa mo ya ha fa Mon kwa tina duma mon kwa ya TikTok. Dia na moye. Dia. Dia mu wansa ba kwa mata dia sia. Na mo dia so ke kwati wo wo. Fa mo jimi kwa duma. Abaya mo pe na aba no bi e di wa wo ba be ka bia ma mo. Mo kwa sie ni mu. Mo jimi a mo de kwa strike a mo kwa sie bi. TikTok nurses. Mo fa mo kwa sie kwa duma mo no bi an ka bi ma mo. Afia Schwar Ghana Force so bullets raba into Usurume and to say me man on farming go shop non go tade ma me non farming go chile because Usurume na samu de mo ti won Usurume am de mo he de because so a friend D Levy Dumsor Levy D Levy and I know I am for the NDC man ayazu we have Some as a general. 4 years of us no say. I'm about Timothy. I'm about cutting my heads. I'm about cutting my heads. Or the D Levy. Or the Afia. Oh my fucking God. Hey, Penyah too fucking mad. I never did me cool off because to me. And I say news now distorted. And I can know. Deal even if you are my out to now. Now come train and come at you can for yata. What I say. Story you know. Now come train say. One Jimmy no can forget another home by no much no. Now by this time I chicken of forgata. Now crowing my ye. No more the deal if you never shame true moon. Now can forget send me. Come here no ma. Come here day. Baby me uncle. Honey. Mrs. Me one welcome. And come here no ma. And come here day. Tomato Bia Fananya publicity stunt. And I'm one him said John Abu container so they be an statement here back 2.6 this. 2.6 this. Not just say, can you for your time? Can you for your time? Tikena man not just say, I was say Abu container or movie onwards in the plan. That's a John Abu container, I and the name truck aside before crew man. No can was a send and you could demously. Oh, I would bow me and uncle for an empty amacao. Dear, 5 months a penny. I was saying about one kind. I said, I got 2 years, 7 months. I got 3 years, 7 months. We should understand. Say, I got 3 years, 7 months. 5 months a penny. Allah na wodi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi Achina. Ama me kondo se me kwa kofre nya me no. Allahu Akbar. You've not seen anything yet. Ezu. Uya mizu. That school for no. Can you cry na munya bi na mu? Almost a day. On bet you first year for the school fees. The other so can you cry bi ni ho? And one day me sure as came on Sabbath. I'm just saying.
Tiraje mama, comment section. Penyah Media.